Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. This is the inspector's summary video. This is a pre-existing non-conforming structure. This is a pass-fail video. This is a preload test evaluation. You need an EPA renovator's license for this particular structure because it's old, it contains lead. There will be no welding. This structure must be structurally sound, and again, this is pre-existing non-conforming. Alright, we're going to start this video. This fire escape is different than the last one we were on next door. Basically, your cage is made up of a series of brackets, and you span between the brackets. There are no channels or anything like that like the other fire escape. So basically you've got a looks like a 2x2 angle that comes across, and then you have the same, you may not be able to see this, but you got the same to form the triangulation, and it also comes up the wall. So we're gonna and you got 1, 2, 3 of them to form this part of the platform, and then you got a ladder going up to the roof with the gooseneck, the connections here, and the rungs do pop through. Of course it needs painting. All of these fire escapes need painting. And then we have some major problems on this. This is the worst of all the fire escapes so far, and we have the same type of configuration here, 1, 2, 3 brackets, and then your railing is it appears to be a 3/8 inch thickness and a 2-inch wide flat. And you have this connection to keep them together. Then your balustrades appear to be a 1/2 inch and round, and they go into this railing that they're welded into, and that's spread across. So you have these welds. It's almost like a sideways ladder, the way they made this. And then we're going to descend down these stairs. The stairs, you've got 3 slats, and the slats are 1.5 inches wide. They go into a clip, and the clips are bolted in. These stairs are in very poor shape, and if you look at this, I don't know if the video will show it, but there's a waviness to the stringer itself. The stringer is being overstressed, and some of that is due to the rust and the rust jacking. You have that throughout the structure. All the connections between the clip and the tread, and the clip and the stringer, are all in very bad shape. We do have one life safety issue in that the stair, you'll see it when we go down, has completely, it's ready to fall. So let me start my descent here. We'll go down, and it's going to be a little tricky because these stairs really are in poor shape. So here we are. This is the first one, and you can see there's all kind of rust and rust jacking here. I don't think the back stairs got the same attention that the front stairs, the ones in the front of the building got on the avenue and on the street. But Anyhow, we're starting down. You can see here just how poor shape. You got a riveted connection, and then as we go down, you'll see just how poor it is, and you can kind of see the bend here. It's like something's moving over here, and this particular bracket is holding this from pushing out. So that needs further investigation. You can see right here that we got a bolt missing and it's separating from the wall some. So all this is needs further investigation. Okay, I'm going to come down, and takes care of the first flight. And then just to explain what goes on here, this fire escape, you have to run across this roof. I don't know if there's a catwalk required. I don't know the fire rating on that roof. But you go to that formation there, and then there's a release on the ladder. And the ladder goes down, and that ladder is smack in the middle of a storefront. So that needs further investigation. Let's continue on. What I mentioned on the floor before, we have the same type of configuration. So I'm not going to repeat what that is, but you have the same type of pulling action. This stringer, you have a weird cadence here. There's definitely a squishiness to the landing, which means some of these are about ready to go. And so I'm coming, I hit them and they completely went. So definitely have trouble here. And you can see right here that that's not good. Okay, so we're going to continue on, and we'll go from there. Okay, so video.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report forbidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report. Please call us with any questions. Thank you.